Welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time student. There are two elements that must be less estimable or not probably calculable. The probability of loss at the accident cost, probability of loss or generally unempirical experience. This cost has more to do with the ability of a reasonable person is possession of a copy of the insurance policy and a proof of loss are showed with a claim person under the policy to make a reasonable judgment or objective evaluation of the amount of the loss reasonable as a result of the claim. Reasonable loss are ideally independent and not coercive, meaning that the loss does not happen allowed to the individual loss and not suffer enough to be brought to the insurer. Insurers may prefer to the limited export to allow from a single event to small protection for the capital base. Capital concern is your ability to sell or quote insurance as well as the insurer who be concerned in the United States. The federal government is focused and especially in the area in commercial fire insurance. It is possible to find single property will not attach following with the assurance of an individual insurance capital constraint. First, property auxiliary starts among several insurers as the insurer by the single insurer with standard costs are the rights into the insurance market. When accompanying insurance and individual identity are the basic legal requirement and regulation, as a community legal principle of insurance includes indemnity. The insurance company indemnifies outcomes of the insurer in the case of certain loss only after the insurer interest. Benefit insurance, as it is stated in the study books of the Child Insurance Institute. The insurance company does not have the right of recovery from the party who caused the injury as much offset the insurance regals of the party of the insurer has already sold the negligent party for the damage, for example, personal accident insurance. Insurable interest, the insurer typically must directly suffer from the loss. Insurable interest must exist whether property insurance or insurer on a person in default. The concept requires that the insurer have a stake in the loss or damage to the life or property insurance. The stake is able to determine the kind of the insurance involved and the nature of the property ownership or relationship between the persons. The request of an insurable interest is the restitution from insurance company. Court must good fight a promoter fight. The insurer and the insurer are bound be a good fight. Bond of honesty and fairness material must be disclosed. Contribution insurers which have the similar applicants to the insurer contributes in the indemnification according to some methods. Subrogatation to the insurance company requests legal rights to personal recovery on behalf of the insurer. For example, the insurers may sue the loss liable for the insured loss. The insurers can waive to their supervision rights by using the special clause. Proxima or proximate cause, the cost of loss repair must be covered under the insurance agreement of the police, and the dominant cost must be excluded. Mitigation in case of any loss, for example, the asset owner must attempt to keep loss to a minimum as the asset which insurance. To indemnity means to make whole again or be installed to the position that one was in, to the extent possible prior to the happening of a specific event or peril. Accordingly, life insurance is generally considered to be indemnity insurance, but other contingent insurance claim are on the assurance as a specific event. Are the generally three types of insurance contracts. So the indemnity insurance, an reimbursement policy, are paid on behalf or on behalf policy, and indemnification policy. From an insurance standpoint, the result is usually the same. The insurance pays the loss and claim expense of the insurance reimbursement policy. The insurance can be required to pay for a loss and then be reimbursed by the insurance carrier for the loss and out-of-pocket costs, including the promotion of the insurance claim expense. Under a pay on behalf policy, the insurance carrier will defend and pay the claim on the behalf of the world, not without pocket for anything once where liability insurance is written on basis pay on behalf language, which enable to the insurance carrier to manage and control the claim. Under indemnification policy, the insurance carrier can generally either reimburse or pay on behalf of, whichever is more beneficial to and the insured in the claim handling process. An entity seeking to transfer rights and individual corporation or association of any type etc. becomes the insured party once rights assumed by an insurer. The insuring party demands of a contract not an insurance policy. Generally, an insurance contract includes at a minimum the following elements: indemnification or participating parties. The insurer, the beneficiary, the premium, the breadth of coverage, the particular loss even cover the amount of cover. Okay guys, this is discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. channel and to start.